I want to tell you about two of my very favorite pool cleaning machines. No one wants to be cleaning their pool on the weekend. These are two very good options, and they are a variety and price points, so look and see which one is best for you. Now be sure to follow us all the way to the end because we'll have a graphic explaining the details, side-by-side bullet points of these two, and you'll be glad to know all these specific details. We're going to talk about the amazing Wybot S2. Now this is the Wybot S2 solar power self-docking pool cleaner. Yes, I said that correctly. It is solar powered and it's self-docked, so you never have to take it out of the pool, except to clean the basket occasionally, but it can stay in the pool a long time. Now that's amazing. That's a very new technology, and it is so great. After you have your Wybot self-docking solar charging robot set up, you simply come over and press the on button, and your Wi-Fi is set up, so all you have to do is admire it and walk away while it does its thing. It will begin to clean just as you have pre-programmed it, and you can just sit back and relax and watch the show. It is on a weekly timer, and it just comes down from this docking station and starts its trick. I have it on full cleaning mode, so it will clean the walls and the floor and the stairs. Look at it go. It's predetermined its map on the very first run, so it has a navigation system that it follows. It has several different modes to choose from for weekly cleaning scheduling. It even works very well on this curved area of my pool that most pool cleaners struggle with. The AI Vision has multi-pool type technology to sense if it's rectangular, random, round, kidney-shaped pool, and all pool types. It boasts a 2-year full replacement protection warranty. It has brushless motors, and it does 294 feet of cleaning per hour. It picks up tremendous amounts of debris and puts it in the very deep basket for weekly emptying. And the best part, when the battery drops below 20%, it returns to the dock for self-charging. No manual work. The underwater solar power is daily, fast, and it is very dramatic in the cleaning power. Look at it climb the wall and clean that water line with its brushless motors, scrubbing with the large track wheels and the interior brushless motors as well for a deep, deep clean. It's just an awesome thing to watch. I've had other pool cleaners that have had a hard time with that curved edge, but she handles it masterfully. You can see her picking up here on the stairs. Now watch this path as she cuts through the debris that's on the stairs, and the path that she leaves is very, very clean. She'll come back and do the rest of the stairs, but you'll be able to see her path, how clean it is. There's 4 stairs there, and she climbs them like a pro. See that clean space that she's leaving compared to the sides? Look at the path that she's left here on these stairs. You can see the path that she left there is magnificently clean. The longer I use this machine, the clearer my water gets. Now watch her climb this wall here. We'll be able to see her climb right up to the edge and clean the water line with those magnificent tracks and brushless motors. Scrubbing, 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 and it will leave a really nice clean water line. Even the drain opening gets a good scrubbing, and that's really nice. From the curved edges to the stairs, the walls, the water line, a really good overall scrub, and there is a 2-year warranty. And look at this, is the very best part. She self-docks when she needs charging and when she's finished cleaning. She will return to the station and self-dock. Look at her go. The ability to self-dock and self-charge really means you have complete freedom to not have to touch the pool machine at all, except when you empty the basket occasionally. It's a beautiful machine. I highly recommend it. So worth the investment. And then we're going to compare it to the Aiper S3. Now the Aiper S3 is a new model of the Aiper S1, which is a flagship best-selling robot from Aiper, which is an awesome company. Let me tell you why. They both are very, very good, and they clean very, very well. They have differences in size, capacities, and they charge differently. Now, they both charge DC charge. The Wybot, while it can charge solar, it also can charge with a DC charge just like the regular other pool bots. So you have both options, the best of both worlds with the Wybot. This is what it looks like here with the charging panel that actually sits on the deck of your pool, and it hangs down into the water, and the machine will clean and then self-dock and then self-charge because of the solar panel. Now, if you happen to have some cloudy days, you just want to charge it, you can also plug it in. Now, here it goes in the pool, and we will let it do its thing. Now, it boasts a 250-minute run time for in-ground pools, and a smart sensor navigation helps it not waste time. It works great on stairs, walls, shallow areas, floors, and water lines. You can see it's doing its adaptive path planning. It's better coverage for any type of pool. For walls and slopes, it has an optimized cleaning path where it learns the shape of your pool, and it uses that memory to clean it each time. One button control is easy to operate and very easy to rinse. You can operate it very easily on the app as well. Now, this is the most powerful lightweight class robotic pool cleaner. It's easy, portable, and hassle-free. It has 4 intelligent zone cleaning, shallow areas, waterline, the wall, and the floors. It is very, very good on the stairs and the sloped and curved walls in my pool, and it's designed for all pool types. It's 20% lighter than most pool cleaners, coming in at 18 pounds, which is easy to lift with one hand. Now, it has a terrific app which allows you to watch it in real time, and it has a 10-minute water parking stay. And one of my favorite things is the Jet Assist technology, which helps it clean the water lines in a horizontal fashion in addition to the regular scrubbing method. Now, my water lines are particularly challenging because my pool walls are curved, and I have a curved and sloped shallow area and a tanning ledge. Now, it also has high precision obstacle avoidance and has a very light touch operation, so it's anti-crash. It will run for 250 minutes for full pool coverage. It also has different modes, including an eco efficiency mode, offering clean options for the floor, the wall, the waterline, auto, including everything, and a scheduling feature on the app. Now, I love Aiper products, and I have several of them, and I love the fact that the app can manage all of them in one place, so you can see what your pool monitoring system, maybe your surface cleaner, and your pool robot of choice. You can manage and schedule them all in one place. Now, this is the Aiper Scuba S3. It has some great qualities too. Now, the Aiper Scuba S3 will clean up to 1,650 square feet, and then Wybot will clean up to 2,500 square feet. So if you have a much larger pool, you want to look at the Wybot. Now, Aiper also has some cleaning robots for much bigger as well. Now, they both have very convenient vertical cleaning. This debris basket slips out at the top very easily, so you don't have to flip it over, which I really like. You just flip it out right here. Now, the Wybot has this mesh system where you click it open and you see it's got some very fine debris in there. Goes in very easily. And the Aiper as well. Now, the Aiper S3 has a new feature. It has a micron filter basket for collecting even the finest debris. This is a new feature. Now, this is removable, so you can clean it the regular way. As you can see, it has some very fine debris in there. I keep my pool pretty clean, but even with that, it got this very fine debris, which is basically like sand or specks, but it got all of that, and you can remove that basket. It's very nice that that comes included with it. So the big differences are the Wybot will self-dock, self-charge without having to touch it and get it out of the pool. The Scuba S3 at a much less price point will clean very, very well. They both clean the floors, the walls, the water lines. Now, these are some other technical differences. They are similar in weight. The Aiper is 18 pounds and the Wybot is 19.8. Now, the Wybot has ultra mapping technology. It will clean all 4 zones, and it will also do obstacle avoidance. It has ultrasonic infrared sensors to help it detect those obstacles and help avoid them. The Aiper has a 2.5 wave path technology. It does help it obstacle avoid as well, and it can take care of irregular shaped pools. The Aiper has a 240 clean time, and the Wybot has a 210. They have similar basket size of the debris baskets at about 3 liters. Now the gallons per hour, the suction on the Aiper is actually higher at 4,800 GPH, and the Wybot is 3,962. Not a big difference, but there is some difference. Charging time, the Aiper will charge in about 4 hours with the DC charge. The Wybot will charge in 3 hours with the DC charge, but it does take longer if you're using the solar power. If you have a sunny day, it'll charge each day for the next day. If you have a stretch of cloudy days, it might take a little longer, but you can also remove it and you can easily charge it in the wall. Now the S3 of the Aiper has a new feature called the Jet Assist technology that gives it a horizontal clean along the waterline, which is a new feature, and it has propulsion coming in on the sides, helping it clean that waterline. That's a new system, and it also will self-park at the waterline, which is also a new feature. So if you like this video, please like it and follow us for more, because we will love to tell you more about great pool cleaning options with these fine companies and others like these. But watch till the end for that graphic. And so your basic verdict is, if you have a larger pool, you might want to go with the Wybot. If time and speed is of the essence, the Aiper is a little bit faster, but they are both very, very powerful and very good. I have never been hanging by my pool thinking, well, that took 4 hours instead of 3 hours, so that makes a difference in my life. Not really. I usually just put my pool motors in the pool and let them do their thing and swim on a different day or later in the day, and they both can be run by the apps. Both of these apps are very, very good, easy to control. You have 4 modes on each of them. They will both clean the water line, the floors, the surface, and shallow areas, as well as the floors. And they both have mode options on the machines as well as the app control. I really, really like both of these. So this is the difference. The main difference is the solar charging panel and the self-docking. And the Scuba S3 does park at the water line, so you just have to grab it and take it out and charge it in the wall. Awesome new developments in pool care. I hope you like this and hope this gives you an idea of which is best for your pool.